Oh, good. Hi, I'm Sarah with Read Muskegon, and this is my daughter, Ellie. And today we are doing week 3, good job, of our cooking class for session 1 for 2021. And today we're making broccoli cheese tots, kind of. So they're kind of like tater tots, but with broccoli instead of potato. And we're pretty excited, aren't we, Ellie? Yeah? Okay, first things first. Can you add the cheese into this? Okay. Okay, eat some. I have this so you can eat some more if you want, okay? Okay.
I'll stir.
Can you try to stir it together? Not that. Can you stir this together? Do you want help? Yeah? So it calls for 3 cups of broccoli. I did 1 head of broccoli, chopped it into pieces, and then steamed it in the microwave for 5 minutes with some water and covered it with a plate on top. And then let it sit for a little bit so it's not too hot for her to touch. You can also buy the steamed bag of broccolis and then chop it just as quick and easy.
Are you going to make cheese balls?
Kind of. We're making, that's what Daddy called it, didn't he? They're broccoli cheese balls. Should we call it that?
Broccoli cheese balls.
So, Ellie, I need you to count out 12 crackers because we need 12 crackers. Can you count one and then put it in here? Count for me. What was that?
1.
Okay.
2. I was thinking it.
You can eat one in a second.
3.
Can you count a little louder?
4. 5. 6. 7.
I love you.
8. 9. 10.
Good job. 2 more.
11.
Good job.
12.
High five. You counted so well. Good job. Okay, so guess what we get to do?
I'm gonna eat.
Yeah, you can eat one real quick.
Yummy.
Hey, Ellie, the k in cracker, what letter is that? K? Who? What did you say? Cat. Yes. Katina cat. When you are done eating that cracker, we're going to do the Katina cat sound. Okay. Can we put this down, do the Katina cat sound, then you can pick it back up? Ready? Good job. Now guess what we get to do? Pound on this. Ready? Do you want to try? Ellie, you're pounding on it. What letter says the sound?
Penguin.
Pee-wee penguin. Do you remember what he does? What's his movement? Good job, big girl. All right, you want to pound it a little bit more? Oh, good job. Okay. So like pounded enough to you? Trying to open it up and dump it in here? So that was 12 Ritz crackers, or you could use a 1/2 cup panko or a 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, whatever you want. I just thought she would like to pound the Ritz crackers together. Okay. Ooh. All right, you want to stir it together? And then it calls for 2 eggs. You want to dump this in? Or do you want me to? You ready? Don't get your hands. Yeah. Woohoo!
It'll hurt.
No, it won't hurt. Eggs are just kind of dangerous to eat when they're not cooked.
Right. It will make us sick when they're not.
You're right. It will make us sick if they're not cooked.
I wanted to.
Oh, you want to keep stirring? Okay. Ellie, who says the buff sound like broccoli?
Bear.
Who?
Bear.
What's his name? What's his name?
Bubba.
Bubba. The B says buff, but his name's Bubba Bear. Can you say Bubba Bear? What does he do? What does he do? Buh. 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 Good job. All right, you want to dump some pepper in there?
I can't get me. A little bit.
You're right. You can't get you. All right, do you want to do the salt or do you want me to?
You can, because it's hard for me.
It is really hard for you, isn't it? Because you have to twist it. Who says the t sound like twist? T. Who says t? Timothy Tiger. You ready to do it with me? T, 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 t. Good job. Okay, can Mama help you stir? All right. These look delicious, don't they?
Can I add some more?
Well, yeah, there's nothing else to add, but you get to add cheese on top when we're all done. Is that exciting? Do you want to eat some cheese while you wait? Alright, so these need to be stirred pretty well, so you may have to help a little bit. Just watch my child eat a ton of cheese. Okay, don't eat it all. We need to save some for the actual ingredients, okay? And then I'm using muffin liners strictly because I don't have enough spray to spray these. And they say they get stuck pretty easily, so you have to really, really spray them. And I don't want to use up the rest of the spray that I do have. So I'm just going to use liners, but you can use whichever you want. And you put a little bit in each one. Mm-hmm.
Is this turkey?
It's not turkey, that's cheese.
Oh.
What's your favorite food, Ellie?
Cheese.
Cheese? I think everyone who watches this already knows that. Are you excited to try these? So these are great if you have kind of picky eaters, but they like fries and tater tots and things because these have tons of veggies in it, but also are delicious. You can dip them in ketchup just like you do with tater tots, and your picky eater might be more willing to try them. So you can also do it with cauliflower if the green throws them off. I know some kids, and my dad, won't eat anything that's green. So if you do it with cauliflower, then it looks more like a tater tot, but we just really like broccoli here, so. All right, Ellie Belly. Don't eat all that cheese, girlfriend.
All
You can't, because then we don't have enough to put on the tops of these things.
I'm done.
You're done eating the cheese? Okay.
Look.
Wow, you saved so much for us. Thank you. Okay.
I love that.
Yeah, can you do me a favor? Can you start sprinkling a little bit of cheese on top of each one of these?
Just a little bit.
You can sprinkle with your fingers if you want. Like you sprinkle. Yeah, beautiful, girlfriend. All right. You can also do these if you have mini muffin tins. We don't, so we're just using a normal one, but I heard they're more fun if you do the mini ones as well. Can I help you? Can I help you?
No.
No? Okay. You're doing a good job. Can you get some more on this one and this one? All right, keep going. Okay.
Just a little bit more on there.
Oh, beautiful. Who says the little bit more sound? Who says the oh little bit? Do you remember?
Oh.
Lizzie Lizard says oh, oh. Do you remember how you do it? Ooh, ooh. Yeah, that's a hard one. Okay, so we are gonna bake these for I think 14 minutes at 375, and then we will be back to finish. Thanks, guys. All right, and we are back. We cooked them for 14 minutes, and we're gonna try and see if we like it. Ready?
I don't like it.
Why don't you like it? Are you sure you don't like it? You like broccoli and cheese. You don't like it? All right, she doesn't like it. I tried it. I thought they were really yummy. So maybe it'll be more of a hit with your toddler. All right, and we'll see you guys for our next session in a couple months. Thanks, guys. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.